So there's many ways of doing 16. You could simplify the square root of 8 and rewrite it as 2 square root of 2 and then distribute that. Or you could just simply distribute the square root of 8. Whoa, bless you. You could distribute the square root of 8 into both terms. And remember, you could multiply radicals. You'd get the square root of 16 plus the square root of 24, right? And of course, the square root of 16 is 4, and the square root of 24, let's do that on the side. Break it down to 4 times 6, split the root, you'll get 2 square root of 6. So your final answer should be 4 plus 2 square roots of 6 for number 6. Recording here, let's go back up to 15. I'm going to distribute the square root of 6 times the square root of 2, and we're going to end up with the square root of 12. And then we're going to go the square root of 6 times the square root of 3, and that's going to be plus the square root of 18. So what we have here, guys, is two radicals that cannot be added together, but what we could try to do is simplify them to see if after we simplify them we could add them together. So what I want to do is right here on the side, I want to do the square root of 12, which becomes 4 times 3, which when you split becomes 2 square root of 3. And I'm also going to do the square root of 18, which becomes 9 times 2. And when you split it, you'll get 3 square root of 2. And that technically is your answer for number 15. 2 square root of 3 plus 3 square roots of 2. Because you cannot combine those. These are different terms. It's like saying a 2x plus a 3y. Can't combine those. They're not alike. Any other one? Let's go to 23. I mean, believe it or not, 23 is the easiest thing in the world. Why? Because, like we've been saying on all the other videos, radicals are kind of like variables. You could see this as 2x instead of 2 square root of 7. And notice that you have the square root of 7, the square root of 7, the square root of 7. It's like having a bunch of x terms. It's like saying 2x plus 8x minus 3x. It's just combining like terms, guys. Change the minus minus to plus plus. And what is 2 plus 8? 10. And what's 10 minus 3? So your answer is 7 square root of 7. I know. Ridiculously easy. Any other ones on the entire worksheet?